Welcome to K-Tips with Karlyn the Biz Pro. To connect with, receive free goodies, tips, training, and more, visit callthebizpro.com. That's callthebizpro.com. Over to you, Karlyn.
Today's K-Tip, Superpower Pillar 2. You learn the power of input. Now, pillar number 2 is after you've received the information, is to literally have what's called the output. This pillar is important because you are in control of allowing the information to not only flow to you, but through you, by you. You are accepting the information that's coming in, and it's at this time you're deciding how does it fall with your belief factors. Is it reality? Do you agree with it? Is it too far off to the left side? You can't see yourself having that as a realm of possibility. Is it falling short of where your belief system is? This right now is where your brain is going through. Do you or do you not choose to actually receive all of the information to going through you and in you and by you so that you can actually take the next pieces of what's important, which becomes pillar 3. The reviewing process. Are you going to take the time to literally digest all of it and review what you've seen, what you've heard, what you've chosen to accept? So you now learn we have pillar 1, which is input, pillar 2, which is output, and pillar 3, which is review. In other words, now you're going to take the time to literally digest everything as you review it. This is kind of like having a great big Thanksgiving meal, isn't it? And learning how to take all of the food in and now take the time that it takes to reflect upon it and digest. Because just like digesting that large meal, you also have to take that same amount of time to digest your content, that stuff that you have received, that has come in, that has now gone in you, through you, by you, and now putting it into a systematic order in reviewing it to see how it calculates into your belief system so that you will know how to use it.
Thank you for tuning in to K-Tips with the Biz Pro. To connect with Karlyn, just go to callthebizpro.com. That's callthebizpro.com.